we're just in the town of Interlaken, which is only about, I suppose, about 10 minutes, I suppose, from where we're actually pitched up in the site. So it's a lovely location where you are pitched up. If you can know Interlaken, one thing it seems to be very sort of closely related to is paragliding. Look up in the sky, literally all the time you're here, and you'll see multiple paragliders coming down. I mean, I've actually done it, and I'm going to be doing a bit of paragliding tomorrow, because I think it's an amazing experience. While you're here, as long as you don't mind doing paragliding, have a go at it. You won't find probably very many better places in the whole of the world to do it. I don't do paragliding directly, I do a tandem effect, so it's pretty safe. I'll post some videos on that later to show you it. But in the meantime, this is Interlaken, the town. I'll just pan around and show you some of the sights from it. As you can see, absolutely beautiful day and a beautiful location. I mean, not a massive town, but I don't think any town in Switzerland is that massive. They tend to be a very underpopulated country, really, generally. But it's just so beautiful. Everything is just so clean. You just won't find rubbish anywhere, anything. It's just absolutely great. And everything's done right. I mean, the roads are smooth. I just can't rate it enough as far as the country goes. It's beautiful. Anyway, in the meantime, I will pan up to there and show you there. As you can see, this is actually the main part where all the paragliders come in. Over there, you can just see in the distance, you'll see loads of people just folding up their paragliding equipment and so forth, where they brought down tandem events pretty much all day, which I'll be experiencing tomorrow. Okay, so that's Interlaken. Apparently it gets its name because it's in between two lakes, and that's where the name Interlaken comes from, so I'm told. Anyway, nothing. I'll pan around a little bit more and I'll sign off. Okay, today we decided to take the bikes out and go visit these waterfalls. I've put the description, the name of the actual waterfalls on there. As I said previously, I won't bother trying to pronounce it. But as I say, I will put the description actually in text on the video if you keep an eye out for it. Probably put some locations on there as well for it. Okay, from the Lazy Ranches, which is where we stopped, it's about 14 kilometres, and the route up here is, well, it's a lot of hills. I mean, we've got two little electric bikes, and we were walking some of the way around it because it was actually just too hilly, and there was quite a few people on bikes that were but obviously much more professional cyclists than we were. Almost Bradley Wiggins was one of them, I'm sure of it. But yeah, and they were getting off and sort of finding it a struggle as well. So it is a fair old trek on the bike. But if it's a nice day, it's 14 kilometres. If you wanted to walk it, it's not too bad either way. I mean, as I say, we're ready to stop. But anyway, I'll stop waffling on and I'll get back and I'll just briefly pan the camera around and show you the waterfall in question. And as you can see, you can all kind of walk underneath it. So I'm just going to actually walk up the steps and actually walk underneath it. the way back from the falls, taking the cycle route back, there was this lovely little, well, harbour village actually, but it's just absolutely stunningly beautiful. Virtually no one about, but I'll just pan it around and let you make your own decision on it. It's absolutely stunning. I mean, there's a great shot of this, what looks like a hotel, I take it over there, but the water's just so beautiful, isn't it? What I'm going to do, I'm going to take some drone footage up and take the drone over and let you have a look at it from the sky, because I'm sure it'll even more beautiful from above. In the meantime, okay then, sign off for now. I'll put the name of the town. I'll Google it and actually find out exactly whereabouts it is and what name it is. Because at the moment I don't actually know what it is. But what I'll do is I'll put it as a text on the video for you.